is over the moon about this young man.
Chicago is a city built on pride, work, and identity. That energy is starting to build again around Chicago Fire FC. After years of rebuilding, the club is entering a new chapter. With the team back in the playoffs, there's a new energy brewing. And as that energy grows in Chicago, another football story is rising, thousands of miles away.
There is definitely something unique about South African football.
We have a different kind of football. You play a super football.
South African football is more about flavor, salt, and a little bit of water in order if you are so too much. But if we put barbecue inside.
It's our creativity, the way we express ourselves when we play, through the skills and everything, the flair. So I think that's one thing that represents South African football.
Like Spain, with their tiki-taka, same as Brazil with Ginga and Joga, and same with the Dutch with total football. We also have.
There's a sense of style and flair that we play with, and it's something we learned in the streets. And there you're playing in small spaces where you need to be creative to be able to beat a man, and that kind of grows with us.
A lot of Brazilians come to South Africa and they feel like they can immediately pick up similarities. They were playing like Brazilian footballers. And I think to someone who isn't used or accustomed to South African football, that's where I would place it.
To see someone who grew up in South Africa playing football, doing it on a big stage, I think it's inspiring. It motivates us to also want to reach that level ourselves.
Nna leina la ka ke Puso, ke goletse go Christiana go Northwest. Bona ka Setswana ba bitsa like ke wo dia Africans ba bitsa plus. So nje ke goletse go plekeng nyane fela go Northwest. Ene le life e different go na le batho ba bantsi, but then ene ntse ke tla bolo go primary ke le moinyane. Season ena go re mfela ke ne le focused mo go TS Galaxy. Ke ne batla go achieve something go TS Galaxy. Then quite the time I did Golden Arrows, ile ka thola like knock ke ka January. Yeah, ka January. Ke boela go TS Galaxy vele. Ke thola call from chairman Tim Sugas. Then I'm playing no Chicago Fire ya batla eng di ba so tete santse ke pa ke dilo tsa ke kutlung ke se dilo tsa tseno kutlung ke a tsamaya no go South Africa. Then yeah go etsa ka lantho eo ke fitla mo Chicago ke ya go plekeng go apartment nya ka entsha ya no ke dutse ke le one ke re ditse di pina ya no gospel ya no go reng go atlika man ka sheba view ya ka fela ke re hae man ntho ya se ntho ke tlwaetseng go South Africa go re ya no ke itsheba no le nna mo spilling ya no ke ipotsa dipotso ya no for entle ke o hena o batla e mo life a tlhalogana. Then ke itsheba lo ke re ke be bona like uniform aga Chicago Fire like ni dutse mo beteng wa bo o tlile mo Chicago o tlo go dlala bolo.
Igama lami Umbekezeli Ngambokazi. Abangaziyo and futhi abazi umsebenzi wami ngibeza ngo TLP ekhanga emovie engaphambili. Ngiqala ukudlala ibhola ngiqale ukudlala emakhaya. Bengidlala emakhaya ama tournament amancane. Iwona la ngikhulisile nami ngibone khona ukuthi uma ufuna izinto kumele uqale usebenze kanzima. Sadlala i-tournament e-Engine akusuka ama-team ungezwa ucoach Wanda, coach Mnguni esengitshela ukuthi hayi khona into ehlanganile. Mase sihlangana ngaqala ngajima kuMaZulu, angisa kuMaZulu. Ngajima 3 days. Ngasuka 3 days lapho ngaya athi ngasaya ngisa eThekwini eGoli ku Orlando Pirates.
This is an institution of happiness. This is an institution that relates to the history of the country. This is an institution where historically people got their happiness and everything that was happening in the country before. That this was the only place where people could unite, the only place where people can get relieved of all the stresses and ailments of the country. It just proves that historically this club is not only a football club but also an institution that supports the human development and nation building of the country. My name is Mandla Ncikazi, the assistant coach of the very same team, Orlando Pirates Football Club. What pleases me is to see young men from a rural area with all the challenges those places have, having an opportunity and taking the opportunity. Shared moments with him from where he comes from, loving his family, coming from almost nowhere, him joining such a big club, a big institution, becoming a captain, the youngest captain in the history of this club, doing so well in going to the national team in that short period, and now in the US. For me, it makes one proud, and also credit must be given to the wisdom of our leadership in them identifying him, that he could be the captain. You know, us being a nation and a country that was colonized, we always measure intelligence and leadership by the command of the language, English. But for our leadership to see that it doesn't matter, but his leadership qualities in the sport that he's playing is good enough for them to give him that leadership.
My name is Nkosinathi Sibisi, captain of Orlando Pirates, a central defender. When we talk about Mbegezeli, such a humble soul, you know. I had a very first encounter with him when he was still playing in our development ranks. From there, I took him under my wing, you know, because I could see the potential he had. I could see the person he was, you know, and actually coming from the same neighborhood and from the same province, you know, of KZN. I knew from the start, you know, that he was going to be something big, but he had to prove himself, you know, and within a short space of time, he did that. I think also I've been following some of his games there in Chicago. He's actually settled quite well, you know, he's doing well for himself, and very, very proud of him, very, very proud. I think one of his big attributes is his confidence and his ability of not being afraid, you know, regardless of the stage.
They've got a Zulu guy. Zulus are known for humility. Zulus are very brave, fearless. Zulus are very honest, very dedicated, but they can fight till the end. Zulus will always give the commitment. It's one nation in the whole country where if you know there's a Zulu, there could be a fight, there could be peace. So if you are peaceful, you will find peace. But if you want a fight, equally the same.
Him being Zulu, you know, us in Zulu people, you know, we have this mentality or this attitude of not wanting to fail, you know, not wanting to fail. No matter how big the task is, you know, we're ready to give it our all.
Mina nalokho kuyangisiza ngoba sikhule ngendlela engafani futhi abanye umuntu nomuntu unenkulumo yakhe ayikhulumayo nala suka khona nami ngisuka la angisuka khona. Mina le eyobuZulu ngibona ngathi umZulu kuba kancane ukuthi impilo yakho ibe lula. Ngibonile ukuthi empilweni lokho kuncane lokho engitholile ngisemncane. Ngibonile ukuthi khona uma ufuna into angeke uze kube lula. kumele uqine mawufuna into, kumele ube strong la ekhanda, kumele uyithembe mawufuna into. Manje ngibona ukuthi kungisizile mina ukuba umZulu, ngoba angazi ukuthi ngaba luphi ulimi ngakuzoba inkinga. Kanti la ngikhule khona ngikhule kanzima, kwangiqinisa ukukhula kwami kanzima. Yikho ngabona ukuthi empilweni ayikho into ozoyithola uhleli phansi, kumele uzame ulwe, kumele uyithembe. Nayi lo nto esizile futhi esiza amaZulu ngizokhulumela amaZulu, ngikhulumela abantu abangathi basizwa yini. Ngeke into ingenzeki uma unenhloso ukuthi uyayifuna ngempela leyo nto. Khona kungenzeka mancane amathuba ukuthi ingenzeki, kodwa uma uyilangazelele into uyifuna ngalendlela ukuthi isenhlizweni yakho, ngiyathemba ukuthi leyo nto izophumelela.
Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana means, to me, it's a national team that plays for South Africa. It's like our soldiers. We must always support whenever they are in a good space or in a bad space.
Bafana Bafana, it means like when all of us were united about like maybe Amaxhosa, Zulus about coming together about to form a squad.
For me, I think I see him as probably a future Bafana Bafana captain.
Bafana Bafana.
It's our TLB, Baba. The strongest guy, Baba. The youngest, strongest guy, Baba. Brave guy.
And for the South African lineup tonight, Mbekazeli Mbokazi is back. Bafana Bafana in their new away strip in that rich, dark green kit. Mbokazi as a midfielder. He's going to have a goal! Mbokazi scores a blinder! Welcome back home! Welcome back with a banger. Cape Town erupts. Truly beyond his years. A young legend stands before us, I tell you. Mbekazeli Mbokazi brought the house down. You are not stopping that. That is Chicago Fire.
There's been a shift, especially with the Under-22 initiative in the MLS. It opens the door for especially African talent. Find a player like Mbekazeli Mbokazi, Puso Titejani, just at that right age, the ripe age between transitioning into a top-level footballer, and then they take them to the MLS. So from that point of view, it's a perfect stepping stone. And a lot of them in the next 4 or 5 years could very well be playing in Europe, in America. They probably thought they were getting 2 kids from the South African Premier League and are showing potential, but what they didn't know that they were also inheriting South Africa, Orlando Pirates fans, neutral fans, even Kaizer Chiefs fans or Sundowns fans or whichever football lover that follows Bafana Bafana and know, especially TLB. Credit to the Chicago Fire's scouting department as well. There was a clear strategy there to go to South Africa, assess which players have potential. They've struck gold, essentially.
It has opened up a lot of doors, you know. It shows that like it's a league that people can also like look at, and it can also like inspire like players to play there, you know. I also like the team, you know, like they also show their players, they appreciate them, you know, like they push them like, yo guys, like we have a national treasures here, and they make them feel special, you know. And which is such a nice thing, going to like a different environment and they celebrate you like that as a young player. It's such a nice feeling.
I think such moves of Mbegezeli going to the MLS, it will also inspire them, to dream even bigger. And I think we have a few guys there. We have Upuso as well, we have Uhlongwane. And, it just shows, the quality and the caliber of the upcoming players. Who would have thought a boy from Hluhluwe will end up in the MLS in such a short space of time? With that kind of mentality, I think he'll really go far.
They're so good and they keep on rising the country worldwide. And I'm proud of them because they're taking a step forward for other players and they're opening doors for us.
Ki life ya gago o tlile mo for a purpose, so nje everything o itletse mo I dire. A o ntse mpona na hai ke ba tsena no no ke batla bang respect fela cause kore the time ke fitla ke ne se so ba so no ke batla nje ba bone for no ntwe ke tletse mo ase modlalo ke ntwe serious.
One way to describe your season so far.
Ai ya godimo ntse ke tla e bua mfela player ke batla go ba nyone gore ke thuse batho ba tswang go Christiana dintwana tse di tswang go Christiana cause then nanje ke batla go thusa dintwana di ska give up fela go tswang teng for ntwe ba e batlang ba kgona go achieve gore ne tsantse ba be pelo ya bone yotlhe mo ntong eo yone intusitse thata because ke motho ke kgona go communicate le ene like anytime cause ga tlhaloganya like language gore a di differe jwalo ke Motswana but then ke tsi like ampo di language tsa go South Africa tsotlhe but then tselo santsane ke ithuta so nje ke pleletse for Mbokazi ke Mozulu so nna ke tsi Zulu khale ke ntse ke like ke ithuta Zulu re tlotla ka ntho tsa go essay ka gore tswang teng dilo tse di galang because of gore tswang teng gore ha o feta mo strateng khona go bona tonki fela e feta gore di khomu di feta fela but mo go different da o bona dilo tseo go di bona fela go zoo a tlhaloganya so nje gore go important go ba le motho o tswang go tswang teng o understandang di culture tse tsa South Africa into yabo
ngoba beku isikhathi sami sokuqala so uzokuthi ngiphume ngaphandle eSouth Africa ngizodlala kwamanye amazwe manje yona into ebinzima ngoba angeke kufane ukukhuluma kwami nomuntu engimficelana ukukhuluma kwami noboss ngenze nje ngendlela eright and futhi ngifuna ukudlulela phambili maye khona amathuba ukuthi kukude la sisuka khona ngoba bese ngishutha abantu bayakhuluma mangisuka lana manje ngihamba ngibuyele ekhaya nganalutho ngizoba inhlekisa kanti lo msebenzi lona iwona okumele ngubambe ngezandla zoluthu sazi ukuthi siyasebenza la ngibona ukuthi ikhonto ezosiza basinikile ithuba ukuthi besiveze ithina seliseleke manje ukuthi sibonakalise ukuthi leli thuba basinike lona besilidinga and futhi besilideserve mhlawumbe kuningi okungenzakala lesingakwazi iyo into engihamba nayo ukuthi lokho okwenzakala manje khona okunye okungenzeka ngaphambili kunalokho.
Enter Mbegazeli Mbawazi leading that back line. He has been excellent.
1, 2, 3. Underway in Chicago. Fire, 5 stripes. Big time Eastern Conference clash. Two very proud clubs going at it. Baez steps into it. A little bit too much on that one. Brady a little awkward. Lobjanidze to the middle. No goalkeeper. Off the line. Mbawazi.
En la raya. La sacó enorme Bokasi.
South Africa is over the moon about this young man. There is Mbawazi.
So certainly on the evidence of tonight, he is one of the best center backs in Major League Soccer.
And that is full time. The Chicago Fire can blast the Flames with their 3rd consecutive win. Mbegazeli Mbawazi in this new look Chicago Fire defense that looks like one of the very best in the league.
Mbawazi, machine.
You put it in your apartment, huh?
South Africa, we are country of resilience.
It's a country alive with possibilities, and people need to really start believing that. As Africans, I think we all believe, that you are because I am. And it's easier for you to actually excel at anything if you've got, a group of people or a person that you can lean on and can actually be able to help you.
We qualified for the World Cup with 90% of the PSL players playing against a team like Nigeria, where all their players play like in Europe. Like, it gets to show that with how we play, and we can use that as an advantage, like, to our strength. You see a player young as Mbogazi and Tejane, playing in that league. Players will get like motivated and inspired, because of the stuff that they are doing.
It's more like you're going back to 2010. We have to go and take our points again, just to show them, in 2010 it was a mistake. Now we are ready for anything.
There's a lot of nostalgia. As fate would have it, it's a replica of the 2010 opening match.
Going to Mexico to have that game, Bafana Bafana, and Mexico opening that World Cup as well. It's almost like a full circle moment. South African football has struggled since 2010 to qualify for a World Cup. And this is going to be, I think, a time for them to put a mark on what the country's doing, on what our football is doing. There's actually a hope and a belief that this group of players can actually take us to greater things than what we've seen in the last 16 years pretty much. This is a pivotal moment for us. It's going to put the eyes, from America, from Chicago, on South Africa. We've consumed basketball, we've consumed house music through Chicago for years now. When I first started liking basketball, it's because of Michael Jordan and the Chicago Bulls. And I think there'll be almost that trade exchange of cultures that will be happening thanks to the move of these two boys going over there.
Not only are they playing a role in representing South Africa from a football point of view, but from culture as well, to show that you can leave South Africa and go make it big.
Umuntu uzofunda ezeofa abasho njalo abantu bamnyama sifunda size siyo yabo kuningi sikufundayo nolwazi sitholayo yabo manje ngiyabona ukuthi lokho engizobuya nakho ngale World Cup kuzoyinceda i-team kuzoyinceda lokho engizohamba nakho la kuzoyinceda i-team engiyakhona manje ngiyabona ukuthi asiqhubeke siphushe lapho esikhona kumele siede okunye ukuze sifike la esifuna ukufika khona. Hayi ukuthi ikhonto wrong esenzayo, but igame negame khona ulwazi sithola khonto esifundayo. Ngibona ngathi lokho ezokwenza ukuthi lokho esikufundayo siqhubeke sithole okunye olunye ulwazi singenalo. Ngibona ngathi khonto ezisiza ukuthi sifinyelela sifuna ukuya khona ukuthi igame negame kukhona into esifundayo ezolekelela thina as a team.